Yo, what's up guys? In today's video, we're gonna be playing Monkey Bomb Tag. It's this new game that just came out, so I'm just gonna try it. I mean, not try it, I've played it before, but oh no, we're about to die. No! Got eliminated. Whoop. Alright, I just got eliminated, which is bad. Okay, but now I'm just a ghost, so I'm not gonna get eliminated because I'm not a player anymore. And yeah. So there's a round, but there's not really anything to do here. I just got my reward. I got a robot. Okay, I don't know what that does, but because I'm pretty new to this game. So, but yeah. So basically, you're a monkey, and it's basically bomb tag, but you're a monkey, so you can do like cool tricks like this. So you can like climb up things, cool animations. You can climb up like that, like go on the side, because that looks super cool. That looks cool. And you can also go and use the zip line. Yeah, it's right there if you can't see it. But yeah, I'm just gonna go up to that zip line and show you how you can use it, because it's actually really cool. And yeah. Oh, where does it? Oh, it's all the way up there. Okay, so I need to go somewhere where I can go to the zip line. So I'm gonna have to climb a bit. Alright, whoa. Alright, we're here. Zip line is right there. Oh no, the bomb was right there. Okay, he's gonna get someone, but I forgot I was a ghost, so. Alright, but anyways, this right here is the zip line. So basically, you use your tail to just get on it, and you can zip line to the other parts, like right here. So yeah. Alright, the round is finally over, and we can finally be in the game as an actual player. So yeah. Okay, the map is the grid. I think it's, I don't actually know. Oh, it's this. Okay, this map looks kind of cool. Oh, you need the bomb because it's like golden ball, and like you need the bomb for the longest, because basically whoever has it longest wins the entire game. So I'm gonna try to have it for the longest, but only 15 seconds. Well, that was bad. I'm gonna tag him. Try to tag him. This guy's fast. Okay. Can't even. Whoa! I can't even catch him. This guy's doing some tricks. This guy's doing a lot of tricks. But I have got one win. It was on my first day, yeah. On my first day playing, got a bit lucky. Whoa, I missed him. I literally just missed him. Bro, he's gonna win. Like, bro, he's definitely gonna win. He has it for way too long. Somebody get him, finally. But I am going to retrieve the bomb because I need it. I don't know how though. Like, these players are so quick for me. Because I'm like new, so. Wait, up there, bro? Just zipped past me, man. Oh, I got the bomb, yes! No! Literally 2 seconds in. Alright. To find for you underscore baby. I don't know. He or he won. 24 seconds. Okay, I got another match reward. It was 150 bananas. So now I have 729 bananas, which is good. Alright, this is a new map for me. Oh my god, it's golden ball again. This guy has it. Can't even take it. It's literally so hard to take the bomb. Like, bro, they're so quick. Come on, dude. Like, where did they go? To be honest with you, this game is actually like super fun. So, okay. Oh, yes, I have it. Finally have it. Now people are chasing me, and I got it. The guy got it from me in 3 seconds. Like, that's how bad I am. I wish it wasn't golden ball, cause like, I don't really like golden ball because it's so hard to get like the bomb. That guy's all the way up here and I'm down here. This guy's gonna win. Ban bomb. I feel like he's gonna win. Oh, I got a ball. Get the ball. I got the bomb. I got the bomb. I just need to try to keep it. But of course, I get stuck somewhere. So now chase this guy. This ban bomb guy, bro. He's such a sweat. Yeah, he's gonna win. There's like no stopping him. Alright. Okay, come on. Okay. Alright, the winners are Ban Bon and Hot Cheetos. What kind of name, bro? Alright, no golden ball. No. Yes. Alright, we're voting for a new map to me. It's called Cyber. So, alright, time to do parkour. Alright, somebody. Oh, the bomb. The bomb was right there. Did you guys see that? Oh my god, he's chasing me. He's chasing me. Oh no, he's chasing me. Okay now, I think. Oh no! I got it last second. You've got to be joking. I gave it. But you run and you run. Yes! I gave it last second to like a random guy. I gotta go. Right. Just trying to escape this guy, bro. Alright, I'm just gonna stay up here and camp and wait if he comes here because he's down there, so I don't think he's gonna notice me. Alright, he got eliminated. Oh crap, the bomb's up there. Which is kind of close to me. He's right there. Now they're chasing me. Why did I not move before? I don't think he's chasing me right now. But the bomb is all the way over there, but I think we still have to be a bit careful because go up the zip line. Alright, we survived another round. So where's the bomb? That guy over there. Right down here. Go back the zip line. I found out this method where you just like go like down the zip line, like back and forth, to not get the bomb when it's not golden ball. So I'm just gonna try that method. But like oh no, that does not look like that happens. But I'm still gonna give good content because that doesn't work. almost got tagged from like literally standing. Oh my god! Did you see that? That was so perfect timing. He literally landed with the bomb and exploded the second he landed on the ground. That's pretty insane. The bomb's up there, and oh my god! I literally just missed it. Which is good. Go up the zip line if the bomb's not. Alright. Oh crap! The bomb's up there. Alright, well we survived another route somehow. Man, getting the bomb. It's so hard to get the bomb. Where's the people? I can't find anybody. I can't tag anybody. Oh my god. I actually suck, bro. Where is everybody? Yeah, GG's. Oh my god, dude. Alright. Well, I'm going to just do some parkour while this game ends. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna do some parkour, and I'll let you know. It's gonna still show up, but I'll let you know when it's done and I'm gonna talk. Alright, the round is finally over, so I can finally play again as a normal player, and not a ghost. So okay, we map voted, and it's this map called Towers V2. Played it before, so alright, this guy has the bomb. Alright, I'm just gonna stand here. Okay, I'm gonna stand a bit farther away. Just a bit AFK. And see what happens. Yes, I gave it. I gave it last second. Let's go. Alright, I have the bomb again. Spawned with it this time. Come on, yes, I tagged somebody. Let's go. No, they're not. Okay, they're chasing me right now, and I have the bomb. Great. That's just great. Alright, tag him. Can you take me back? Oh, no. Oh, I got it. Well, that's gonna be it for today. Hope you enjoyed.